All right, guys, we got us a 2014 Chevy Camaro V6. We did factory converters. It's a California car, so it's got 4 converters on it, 2 on each side. Then we put an X pipe on it because it didn't have one. It had 2 resonators only. He wanted equalized exhaust scavenge, so we put an X pipe on it. And when you guys put exhaust X pipes on these, you want it as close to the motor as possible, because that's when it works the best. The farther away it is, the less it works. So there's the X pipe. Then we took the 2 resonators off, did a resonator delete, then continued the 2 1/4 all the way back and removed the rear mufflers. We did that last week. As you guys can see, it's been snowing, so it got dirty quick. This was done last week. Did a rear muffler delete and kept his factory tips on it. There and there. So it's true dual with an X pipe with straight pipes. There's the 2 resonators, and it had an H pipe on it. We took it off. There's the resonators, there's the H pipe. X pipe sounds a lot better than the H pipe. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2015 Chevy Camaro, 6.2 liter beast, V8. I'll let you guys show you what we did. He's getting long tube BBK headers he's gonna put on it. Some high flow cats, but right now it's got stock manifolds, 4 converters. It's a California car. Then they deleted the resonator somewhere else and put an H pipe in the center. And it's 2 1/4 all the way back. And we continued that 2 1/4 and did a muffler delete there and there into 4-inch quad tips there and there. What do you guys think? I like it. It's clean. Came out really nice, really clean. Just smooth all the way around. There it is. Woo! Wow, that's not bad. It's loud. Again? Do it again? 120, guys. That's crazy. Gotta back it out. 120. I like the stripes on the black. Red, orange stripes on black car. Yeah. A little bit different, or red. I don't know if they're red or orange. My eyes could be deceiving me. It's so loud. That sounds so cool. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. Does it have a sport mode or anything like that? Your sound decibels? Go ahead. There we go. 111, bro. That sounds sick. Go ahead and back it up. Again? Let us know what you guys think. You cannot beat that sound. Chevy Camaro V6 2014. Added the next pipe and true dual straight pipe. Wow, it's loud. I love it. Enjoy, guys. Just one second.